Now we're gonna go into my world. So now, don't remind that. It's just only just a weird sounds. Weird sounds, yeah, weird sounds. I don't know what's happening in our house. It's only a weird sound, so she's not here. Cause she's in the here. In the bathroom. Okay. And take it now. Yeah, recording. We're recording. Let me take this, yeah. Okay. Now we're back in our room. We have a pickaxe in here. Okay. Okay. I have a carpet in here. I need 3 of the carpets, yeah. Because, the full carpet, I need a full carpet. Diorite, the gunpowder. I have a flint still. And the dirt, and the gravel. Let me put it in there. I got the lots of gravel. I'm gonna go and find my own diamond sword.
Kuya, ang dami nga ng damit si boss. Mabilis bawal na diba? Kuha ka dyan ang damit niya. Yan, lagyan mo siya dito. Sa likod, para hindi siya malamigan. Sa likod ka katitip. Ma, may short rib po, ma? Ha?
Handa ko rin po yung short.
Oo. Uy. Sabit na kuya. Sige na. Nahirapan ako ng ano. Lumuko. Buka na po, kahit may dark na yan.
Tapos,
Sige, okay na yun. Sabit mo dito. Okay na.
okay, now I'm gonna find my diamond sword because I know where she's gonna go. On there, and I don't know where did she go. Let me put my brightness in there. Okay. There's a lot. Let me put that clear. There you go. 100%. We got a 100%. Where did she bloom up? Oh, there. But there's a apple on there. Where there's a apple? And there's a carpet. And where did the diamond sword that came from? She blew up a creeper. I don't know. Maybe this hole? Is this hole? No. Where did she came on there? She go in here. Maybe from the top. Maybe we're going to the top. Yeah. Because it's not right here, so maybe in the top. My diamond sword in the top. Yeah. Maybe she's hiding on there for an hour. Ooh. There! I see it! Take that. So now I see it now, guys. Now my diamond sword is already back in my inventory. And I don't know. There you go. I found it in the XP, yeah. My XP just lost. What's there? Is that a vine? No, that's not a vine. That's a... I'm gonna move here in the morning. Now I don't know where's my house. Okay, on there. Let me check his house. Oh, what happened? Oh no, This is not a good time. Minecraft PE. It's not a good time. It's gonna take for a while. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. I'm not going with that. What's happened to you? No. Magazine found. Magazines. I don't like magazines. Yeah, nah. Recording. Load by millions. What's... Okay, I'm gonna go now. There's his house. I'm gonna fix him. I'm gonna fix her house. Did I get now? Yeah, I get. It saved. The game saved. Okay, I'm gonna check her house. I know this is the door. Yeah, this is the door. Because I put some... Oh. His house is so dirty. Why? Why is she dirty? I'm gonna put the brightness on. There. It's so dark. I don't know, guys, if you see it, but I cannot see it. Oh no. Okay. This is the port. It didn't saved. Oh, double carpet. Okay, and double apples. Wow. Wait, and double diamond sword. Let me check if it's a double diamond sword. That will be awesome. Please save. Yes. Ah. Yes, double. Double the armor and double diamond sword. What? Fantastic. The pickaxe. Double. Hey. Now I'm okay now. Now it's falling down. So there's a house there. Let me land on this. I don't take damage. Yeah, I'm gonna go into the waterfall. There you go. But she need a wool. She got a full wool. Now this wrecking house, I'm gonna finish this for some reason. I'm just gonna like that, but it's not the floor. I'm gonna like him. Yeah, like that. But this explode. This part explode, and now I'm gonna dig down there. Just like the secrets of the there, like this, like that. Oh, okay. This is the one. Let me put this on there, and there. No. I need some load of dirt. Wow. This, because it's gonna be so messy if I don't put some like that. I'm gonna in the woods. Wood plant. There's so much wood. So okay, there's like I'm gonna. Okay, let me put this just in here. That in there. for like a secret and yeah. So I'm gonna put some. Where's my crafting table on there? Use some like just a chest on here, a chest, yeah.
Wait.
Chest. A chest. I need a chest. Okay, this is one.
Lay down!
Now the secret is done.
Pwede ba bulin? Lay down!
Yun eh, double diamond sword.
Shut up!
Double diamond sword.
Back up!
Now let me
Oh!
check. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna craft some chests. Yeah, chests and a bed. A bed? Never mind. Chest. Chest. My ingredients. And there you go. Chest. Chest. And you, piggy, get out of my way.
Optimal.
This wood is just only like on there, yeah? And this now, I'm gonna go inside in this house. But this is not a house now. This is a secret room. Secrets is only right there. 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 Yeah, like that. So we're done. The secrets in here. Okay. Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna just fix that. I'm just gonna fix that. Oh, door. Oops. Okay. Should I just... Let me craft. This. Okay, now there's a 9. So I can just like a... I'm just gonna fix... Oh, okay. I'm gonna go into the roof on here. I just see there's a... Ooh, yeah. This is the one, the roof. Let me put in here a block on here. A block on there. There's a extra. There. Select the extras. And put this on here. Select the secrets. Set extra secrets on the chest. Beautiful. This on here. On that. So there's a roof on there. So make it work. Let me cap the water. Yeah. There you go. So this now. Okay, so now. That I know. Surgeon ano po yun? I'm gonna end this video now. So guys, thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos of Minecraft. Okay, so goodbye.